You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name and more confusing names many get wrong. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So there are two different ways of pronouncing it. Essentially, in Gaelic or Gaelic languages like Scottish or Irish, it is said as strawn, strawn. So in English that would be strawn, right? Strawn or strawn. Now in English, and quite a few people are named that way as a family name, surname. Some pronounce it also as Strachan, Strachan, or Strawn, or Strawn. And now you know it all, I think. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.